Appointment module. The appointment calendar for the doctor can be organized and managed here. Log into your account. You can view the appointment calendar in your home page. Click on the calendar icon from the left side menu to view and manage the features in more detail and efficiently. This search bar can be used to search and select a user. You can click on the options like today, 3 days, week and month to view the appointment calendar accordingly. You can also navigate to earlier or previous days by clicking on the navigation icon. To edit a doctor's schedule, click on the preferred date. There are various options available. To indicate the doctor is not working today, uncheck the working day option and click on Save. Once saved, a message conveying the same will be displayed. To update the calendar for a working day, click on the date and click on the working day checkbox. To enable patients to fix appointments online with you, select the online web appointment option. If you would prefer to confirm each appointment request, click on the doctor or user confirmation required. If unchecked, all appointment requirements will be automatically confirmed. The time slot option can be used to choose the duration for each appointment. The from time and through time of your availability can be selected here. Click on the Add Time option to add additional available timings. You can click on the trash icon to delete additional timing if required. If you prefer to store this doctor's schedule as your default schedule for additional days, click on the checkbox next to the Set This as Default Schedule and pick the preferred days. Click on the trash icon to cancel and exit and click on the Save button to save details. Once saved, the appointment time slots will be available according to the schedule saved. To fix an appointment, select an available time slot. This search bar can be used to search and select patients. If the patient you are looking for is not available, click on the New Patient, add required details and click on Create. The patient's profile will be created and they will be automatically added to the patient field. This field can also be used to add the doctor if you would prefer to block an appointment slot. The description field can be used to add the visit reason. You can use the color coding option. This can help you select a different color for emergency, surgery, follow-up, etc. The appointment status can be updated here. You can select your preference of sending SMS or email notification to the patients for the appointment. If you prefer not to alter your SMS or email preference, each time you can click on the More button and hide these details. Click on the Save button to save the details. To update an already saved appointment, click on the preferred appointment and make the required changes. Click on the print icon to print the appointment details. Click on the trash icon and confirm to cancel an appointment. You can click on the Go to Health Record button to navigate to the EHR that is created for each appointment. Click on the Save button to save the updates made.